If you have a hard time finding the right markets, pop-ups, or fairs to sell at, come with us to Y'all Mart in Columbia, South Carolina, a flea market for Southern eclectic folks, where creators, collectors, and curators of the weird and eclectic have found a place to sell anything from ghost portraits, custom dolls and creations, handcrafted jewelry made out of bones, or even custom refurbished Furbies. Yes, Furbies, proving that there are people out there willing to buy products and services of every kind. You just have to find the right markets, pop-ups, or fairs for your small business. So stick around and we'll dive into why finding the right markets, pop-ups, or fairs is so important and give you a few tips for questions that you can ask when determining which to participate in.
All right, we have the whole crew here today. Mom and Chelsea are heading out to Columbia, South Carolina to go to an event, a market called Y'all Mart. Now, this market is very unique and different because it is for the eclectic artists. All right, so Chelsea, you've been to Y'all Mart quite a few times. What do you like about this market in particular?
I personally love Y'all Mart because it's different, right? You can get really cool eclectic things. I once got a crocheted plague doctor. It's so cute. I love it so much. So it's really just a community of small business owners who are kind of quirky and they've found their place, and that's at Y'all Mart. Some big points when it comes to finding a niche market that works for your small business. Think about the fact that it's going to be worth the investment and your resources. If you have to drive out a little bit further than a closer market, but you're going to be bringing in people who are actually interested in what you have to offer, then it's worth your time. Let's also think about the fact that it'll be easier for you to bring in return customers and people who are interested in other vendors like you that get the chance to discover you and your small business.
Questions you can ask. Is there a participation fee or vendor fee for this event or market? Is this a one-day event or does it span multiple days? What time is setup and/or breakdown? Do you have information on how many people have attended this event in the past?
Probably one of the least talked about benefits to selecting the right craft fairs and events is the fact that you get to meet other vendors who are also looking for future events to participate in. And so you may be able to have discussions with them and find out about future opportunities simply by meeting them before, during, or after the event.
Questions you can ask. How many vendor spaces or booths will you have total at this event or market? Where can I find a list of past vendors and/or vendors that have already committed to this event or market?
The people who are going to these markets are also going to be interested in the same things. You're going to be able to build your community a lot easier.
questions you can ask. Now, this one isn't a question, but it's an action we want you to take. Google the name of the event or market and see what pulls up. Look at past coverage and look at photos that they may have.
Remember that at the end of the day, your ultimate goal is to make sales. And by picking the right craft fairs and events to participate in, you are likely going to be in front of people that are more than willing to spend a little cash and to buy your products and services.
Questions you can ask. Where do you plan to publicize this event or market, or how do you plan to get the word out there? Are you charging people an entry fee for this event or market?
Hey, if you're an SOB, small-owned business, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, The Seasoned Marketer. We upload a new marketing video each week to keep you updated on everything marketing. And if you're looking for some free resources like free downloads and all that good stuff, then check out our website, theseasonedmarketer.com.